Hello and happy reading, boys and girls. Today is Thursday and we are going to finish up our book Stellaluna today, so I can't wait to get started on our reading. Before we do, let's look at our LEQ so we could remember what we're working on, and then I'll show you guys my work from yesterday. So our LEQ this week is: how can we identify the main idea and key details in a text? And remember, with me and with Señorita Castaño, we talked about the main idea as being your taco, what the story is mostly about. And then your key details are your supporting facts, like your lettuce, meat, and cheese. It represents, without all your key details, you wouldn't have your main idea. So with that being said, let's look at yesterday's. So I gave you the main idea of Stellaluna learns how to be a bat again. And then your job was to fill in the key details. So for my who, I have Stellaluna. When the story took place was at night again. Where, this one, it was two different settings. One was in the sky when she was flying, and then the other one was in a fruit tree. And then what? So what did we read that supports our main idea of Stellaluna learns how to be a bat again? So I said she can see at night, and that's why I drew my eyes and my little moon and stars to represent she could see at night. And she eats a mango. So no more bugs for Stellaluna. So this, my what here, really supports what our main idea is. Okay, my friends, we've got some new pages to read today, and we are going to go ahead and get started. Our book is Stellaluna by Janelle Cannon. The next day, Stellaluna went to visit the birds. "Come with me and meet my bat family," said Stellaluna. "Okay, let's go," agreed Pip. "They hang by their feet and they fly at night and they eat the best food in the world," Stellaluna explained to the birds on the way. As the birds flew among the bats, Flap said, "I feel upside down here." So the birds hung by their feet. "Wait until dark," Stellaluna said excitedly. "We will fly at night." So let's think, what's happening? I think it's interesting that the birds are talking about how they feel upside down now. They're the ones who feel out of place. Let's keep reading. When night came, Stellaluna flew away. Pip, Flitter, and Flap leaped from the tree to follow her. "I can't see a thing," yelled Pip. "Neither can I," howled Flitter. "Ah!" shrieked Flap. "They're going to crash," gasped Stellaluna. "I must rescue them." Stellaluna swooped about, grabbing her friends in the air. She lifted them to a tree, and the birds grasped a branch. Stellaluna hung from the limb above. The limb above them. Remember, a limb is also like another word for a branch. So she put them on a branch and then she was hanging above them. So they were sitting the way birds do, and she got to sit the way a bat does, upside down. Okay, so I'm thinking, what's going on right now? I noticed our characters, there's more characters because it's not just Stellaluna, it's also the birds. And what time of day is this story happening? What's going on? These are all things I want you to think about before we go to our next page. Okay, let's keep reading. "We're safe," said Stellaluna. Then she sighed. "I wish you could see in the dark too." "We wish you could land on your feet," Flitter replied. Pip and Flap nodded. They perched in silence for a long time, meaning like they sat on the branch quietly. "How can we be so different and feel so much alike?" mused Flitter. And how can we feel so different and be so much alike? Wondered Pip. I think this is quite a mystery, Flap chirped. I agree, said Stellaluna, but we're friends and that's a fact. Oh, I just love how this story ends. How they're talking about how they can be so different, but also the same. And how they can be the same, but also different. I think a lot of the friends in art class probably feel that way too. So let's think about the pages we read today and what is the main idea? What is it mostly about? What's happening? So I'm going to go through and click through the pictures so you can think about it again. Stellaluna brings the birds to meet the bats. She tries to get them to fly at night with the bats, but they can't see, so she has to rescue them. And then they are all sitting in the tree the way that is most comfortable for them. So the birds are perched on their feet and Stellaluna is hanging by her feet. Do you see? She's giving them a big hug even though she's upside down. And they're talking about how they are the same and different. So let's think of our anchor chart for today. What is our main idea on those 3 pages? What's happening? You can think of the photos and illustrations and our key details. Those are going to be the things up here that are going to help you the most. So my friends, today, since we have been working on this all week and I've been giving you the main idea, today I want you to tell me what the main idea is. So that's something you need to think of by yourself and then tell me. You could either draw a picture and write about it, or you can use the record button and record yourself showing me or telling me what you think the main idea is for today. Include your details, your key details, if that helps you. So like I made my chart again so that I can remember, who is it about? When is it happening? Where is it happening and what's happening? Whoops, sorry, this one, what's happening? That's gonna help you support your main idea. Okay, I can't wait to see what you guys come up with and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.